Cracking the code, prefixes and suffixes in contract law. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today we're delving deep into the world of contract law. Specifically, we're going to focus on understanding contract breach through the lens of prefixes and suffixes. Before we start with prefixes and suffixes, let's briefly understand what a contract breach is. A contract breach happens when one or more parties involved in a contract fail to honor their agreed-upon obligations. This often leads to legal disputes and is a key term in contract law. Now, let's dive into some common prefixes used in the context of a contract breach. Prefix, non. The prefix, non, means not or without. When attached to words in contract law, it can denote a failure or lack of action. For example, non-performance means a party has not performed their obligations under the contract. Prefix, mis. The prefix, mis, means wrong or badly. In contract law, this often refers to incorrect or inappropriate actions. For instance, misrepresentation refers to a situation where a party gives false or misleading statements in a contract. Moving on to suffixes, there are a couple commonly seen in contract breaches. Suffix, ur. The suffix, ur, can signify the result of an action. In a contract breach context, failure represents the result of not performing an obligation. Suffix, ment. The suffix, ment, can denote a state or process. For example, enforcement refers to the process of ensuring compliance with the contract. Using these prefixes and suffixes, you can decode and build a variety of words in contract law. Non and mis, combined with ur and ment, can form words like non-enforcement, mismanagement, non-fulfillment, and so on. Practice by making your own words. That's all for today's lesson on prefixes and suffixes in contract law. We hope this insight into contract breach terminology will enhance your English language skills, especially if you're diving into legal or business fields. Stay tuned for more, and keep learning.